So this is the explanation of the components of this sensor. There is a potentiometer located on the sensor which is used for adjusting the output of the sensor. It also has a power indicator and an output indicator LED which lights up when a flame is detected. Most of the flame sensors come with YG1006 sensor, which is a high speed and highly sensitive NPN silicon phototransistor. It is covered with black epoxy since the sensor is sensitive to infrared radiation. There are two categories of the flame detection sensors in the market. Some have 3 pins, that is digital output, ground, and VCC, and some have 4 pins, that is analog output, digital output, ground, and VCC. You can use it with any Arduinos, Raspberry Pis, and other development boards. The analog output has a range from 0 to 1024, where 0 means the strongest flame and 1024 means no flame. Basically, any reading above 400 is a flame, and below that is a weak flame, and any reading above below 800 is a no flame. Digital output gives you response in power or in positive or negative. Positive being a flame detected, and negative being a flame not detected. This is the pin for the buzzer slash the red LED. This is the pin for the green LED, and this is the pin for the digital output coming from the sensor. I have made a boolean called flame on, which is set to high by default. Here I have defined the pin mode of the pins. The buzzer pin and the green LED pins are the output pins, as they are the ones giving an output, and the digital flame pin is the input pin, as the Arduino is getting its input from there. The flame on boolean state will remain high if there is any data being passed from the digital read function. If there isn't, it will change to low. If the boolean is high, then the flame detected will be printed in the serial monitor, and the buzzer pin will be set to high so that the buzzer buzzes, and the green LED pin will be set to low so that the LED switches off. If the boolean is low, then the code enters the else block, and the flame is not detected and flame not detected will be printed on the serial monitor, and the flame not detected will be printed in the serial monitor, and the buzzer pin will be set to low so that the buzzer doesn't buzz, and the green LED pin high so that the LED switches on.